back in another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So right here I have my Rubik's Cube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve it in simple steps that you can do right now. So let's get to it. So what you want to do first is get your Rubik's Cube. That's too far. Here we go. First one, what you want to do is get your Rubik's Cube. The second thing that you guys need to know, well, technically the first thing you need to know is when I say front, turn it clockwise. When I say front inverted, turn it counterclockwise. When I say right, turn it clockwise. When I say right inverted, turn it counterclockwise. When I say left, turn it clockwise. When I say left inverted, turn it counterclockwise. When I say up, turn it clockwise. When I say up inverted, turn it counterclockwise. When I say down, turn it clockwise. When I say down inverted, turn it counterclockwise. So what you guys also need to know is the white side is always opposite of the yellow side. The red side is always opposite from the orange side, and the green side is always opposite from the blue side. So you guys can pick out whatever side you want to solve on. I usually solve on the white side. So what I'm gonna do is mix it up. No idea what I'm doing right now. Okay, there we go. Now I have it all mixed up. Now, what I'm going to do is find the white side. Here it is. So, what you want to do is find any edge piece that would, well, technically, first what you want to do is solve for the white cross right here. So, that's what I'm going to do. So, alright, right here we have an edge piece, but it's the white and red piece, and we want to line it up with the red right here. And then that's part of the cross. Now, here's a blue piece. So now we want to turn it down like this. Find the blue side like this. Turn it up. And, it's in the wrong place. See, white is supposed to be here and the blue is supposed to be here. How do I flip this around without messing it up? So here's time to learn your first algorithm. So what you want to do is front inverted, up. Left inverted, up inverted. And just like that, you have the blue together, the white together, and the red still together. So now here's a green piece. It's not already lined up with the green, so just turn it up like this. And do that same. And then, so we have the white and orange piece, and it's in the flipped the wrong area, so we want to do this again. Front inverted, up, left inverted, front inverted. And there we go. We have the green here, the red here, the blue here, and the orange here. And we have the white cross. So now, what we want to do is solve for the corners. So, well, first we have this corner right here. It's the white, green, and red piece. So we want to move it to this right area, just like this. So we want to move to the right here. So it's the white, green, and red. It's the white, green, and red corner. And then you want to do this algorithm. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. There we go. You have that in the right place. Then find another corner. Here is another corner. The white, blue, and red piece. We want to take it over to the white, blue, and red corner. And here we do this algorithm. And right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Just like that, the corner's in the right place. And now we have the white, green, and orange piece. White, green, and orange. So now let's do this algorithm again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right down. And I have the last corner, which is the blue, orange, and white piece. I want to move it to the blue, orange, and white corner. So here we go. Do this again. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. And there we go. Now we have this first side solved. Once you have this first side solved, you want to turn the cube upside down so that the completed side is on the bottom, just like this. And then what you want to do is find any piece that does not have yellow on it. So this right here is the green and red, so you want to move it to the green side. And you want to determine if it goes to the left or to the right. In this case, to get to the red side, it needs to go to the left. So you want to do this algorithm. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front. Just like that. And then just like that, you have it in the right place right there. So now you need to find another one. Oh yeah, here's one, the green and orange. Now in this case, it needs to go to the right to get to the orange side. So you want to do this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And just like that, you have all the middle sides solved. Woohoo! There we go! So now you could have these things. So what you have here, some yellow things up here. So if you have so right now you have the backwards L right there. Here's the L. And so what we want to do is do this algorithm. Front, right, up. Right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And now we have the line right here. Now you want to do this, make sure the line is right, like just like this. And then do it again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And just like that, you have the yellow cross right here. And you have, so what you need to do is find two sides that have this part right here, okay? And right now we have the green and orange side like this. So what you want to do is make one side facing to the right of you and one side facing away from you. Like one side's facing this way, one side's facing this way. So you want to do this algorithm: right, up, right inverted, up. Right, you up two, right inverted, and one last up. And there we go. Now we have the red here, the blue here, the orange here, and the green here, still with the cross. Okay, so now you have this, the cross still intact, and you have these things. Now you have a cross on each side. Even the bottom, you have a cross. You have the cross here, and a cross on every side, and the top. So now what you want to do is find one that's in the right place. Like this piece right here is in the right place. That's not in the right place. That's not in the right place. And that is also not in the right place. So what you want to do, have the right piece in the bottom right corner. And then do this algorithm. Right, up inverted. Left inverted, up. Right inverted, up inverted, left, and then, well, left, and then up. Just like that, you still have this intact, and so now you have to find another piece that's in the right location, like this piece right here is in the right location. Right, this is in the right location, wrong location, wrong location, wrong location. So now you want to do that again. Well, here's what you should do at the beginning. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Just like that. Now you should have, now this is in the right location again. Wrong location, wrong location. So now they gotta get up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And just like that, all the pieces are now in the right location. So now you just want to do this algorithm, which we already learned. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and just like that, it's in the right place. So what you want to do is you want to do up inverted after you finish that. So right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down, inverted, right, down. And just like that, the piece is in the right location. Now I want to do up inverted again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now it's in the right spot again. So now you just want to do up inverted again, and right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Here's the amazing part. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And just like that, you are one step away to solving your first Rubik's Cube. So now all you have to do is memorize all those things, replay the video with your Rubik's Cube, and then solve the Rubik's Cube, and then make your video of you solving a Rubik's Cube. So make a video of you solving the Rubik's Cube, then and then put it on YouTube and say that you got the idea from me. And yeah, let me get to Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever solved the Rubik's Cube. Well, if you did not enjoy, go check out some of my other videos on the screen right now. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.